go, then 120 grams of dark brown sugar and 70 grams of molasses. I like molasses here because it's less perceivably sweet than regular sugar, and it brings a noticeable addition of both moisture and dark, interesting flavor that both brown or white sugar just don't have. Next, in goes 5 grams of vanilla extract, 140 grams of sour cream, but unsweetened Greek yogurt would also work, then 40 grams of olive oil, and then I'll grab my melted but not super hot butter and drizzle that in. Once I've got this whisked up into a homogeneous brown soup, I'm going to set this bowl of wet ingredients aside, and then I'll grab a fresh bowl for my dry. Into that goes 420 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of salt, 15 grams of baking powder, and 6 grams of baking soda.
Official taste test. I'm having my breakfast. I made some tea. Oh, so good. And this morning I baked banana bread. I added a bit of butter because everything tastes a little bit better with butter. And then I have some grapes. The last time I made banana bread, Ollie actually stole a piece. Didn't you, Ollie? Today I feel like I'm having a productive day. It is a to-do list kind of day today. I woke up very late. I woke up at 9:30, and when I woke up I just felt a bit anxious, like, oh my god, I'm late. So I wrote down my to-do list. Earlier this year I bought this daily planner, and it's like a Bible verse daily planner with all like Bible quotes down here with days of the week. And what I've been doing is tracking what we eat every day for dinner, because I really struggle coming up with ideas. So for January I wrote down everything that we ate, and everything that's highlighted in orange are the days I didn't cook, and all the days that are highlighted in orange and have purple on them are all the days I didn't cook. And then we're also meatless days. We like to have meatless days at least twice a week, just to balance things out. So February has started, and as you guys can see there, I've started with tracking what we've eaten. The January tracking will kind of help me with the February now, so I don't have to think all that hard with what we should eat. I came up with a really good idea of what we can eat today for dinner, like roasted chicken, potatoes, and the salad that I saw on Tish Wonder's YouTube channel. It's like a butter bean, baby marrow, green bean salad, and the sauce is like Greek yogurt with some oils and herbs. That's what we're gonna have today. So yeah, so my to-do list for the day, if I can share with you guys, was just to brush my teeth. Very simple, but I had to do it. I like to wake up in the morning and just brush my teeth. And then number 2 is to fold laundry, which I haven't done yet. Yesterday I washed my clothes and I just need to fold them nicely. Guys, lately I don't enjoy doing laundry, hey? I had to pack and wash the dishes. Yesterday I washed the dishes, but I didn't pack them, so it just made the kitchen look very cluttered. So I organized the kitchen and it looks very nice. And I wrote here, make tea. Very simple things, guys. I just needed to write everything down so I can feel like I'm having control over my day, not feel anxious or feel like I'm not really doing anything productive. And one of the things here I wrote was to bake banana bread. When I just looked at all my pantry essentials, I realized that I don't have certain ingredients, like I didn't have Greek yogurt. I put Greek yogurt in this banana bread. And margarine, I didn't have margarine, so I went for a quick grocery run. I washed Ollie, that was something on my to-do list, and then bathed. And then now I'm outside starting a vlog, which is also on my to-do list. This is a very cute to-do list, you guys. I want to publish a video that I posted yesterday. This video is about like literally losing all my data from my hard drive. I feel better today. And then I want to start editing this video. I don't know if it's going to be a daily video. I think it should be, because I feel like there's a lot going on in this video. I haven't started editing it, but I can just feel it. Also, I don't want my videos to be too long, since I might not have enough storage on my computer, since I don't have an external hard drive. So yeah, guys, that is my morning. That's my to-do list. I've been talking for 5 minutes. In Tonga, there is this proverb that says "Kufamba ikubona," and the translation to that is "to travel is to see." So I grew up in a household where we just cook pap normally with no salt, no nothing. So I was very surprised to learn of this savory pap from my in-laws when I came for lunch the one time, and I'm just going to share with you guys what it looks like and how it's done. So savory pap is just basically pap with potato, sweet corn, spices and butter, and then you add the maize meal at the end. So what you guys see me do here is I started off with sauteing the onions until they're translucent with some garlic, and then after 5 minutes I added chopped potatoes and boiling water with chicken stock. I'll let that cook until the potatoes are well cooked, and then I'm going to continue with the other stuff. It as a tourist, and I'm not going to be doing like a lot of touristy stuff. I'm just going to be chilled and, you know, going to a lot of cafes, restaurants, and just, you know. I'm cooking the Harvard pap for a change.
The what?
The Harvard pap.
Harvard.
I think that's what it's called. Ta-da! The one with the corn, potatoes.
Oh.
And I'm roasting some chicken. I just feel a little bit easier just to roast. And cabbage.
That's good.
Yeah. So it's been about 12 minutes and the potatoes look like they're almost ready. So I'll just add canned corn. I would just use the regular corn if I had it, but today I'm just going to go with sweet corn in the can. And then I'll add some aromat. A lot of aromat. I feel like this is the only time I use aromat in general, because I'm not a big fan of it in any other thing. And then I'll also add some butter. A generous amount of butter makes this dish very creamy. Yeah, let's just go with it, guys. So I'm gonna mix that up and then I'll let it cook for about like 5 minutes so that they can get to know each other. In the meantime, I've already sliced my cabbage. I think I did a pretty good job, if I say so myself. And then I'm going to start cooking the cabbage. I really like cabbage. I think if it's done properly, it's very sweet and caramelized. And then I'm just going to continue with the pap. I will add like a little bit of maize meal, not a lot. I think the difference between regular pap and savory pap is that with regular pap you use a lot of maize meal, and with the savory one you just maybe use a cup. I think in this case I used half a cup. You don't want it to be too thick. It's a very soft and luxurious, you know, santan kind of pap. You don't want to make it too hard. I think I left my stove on high for a while, so it kind of burned on the bottom. So just try make sure that you're not cooking on like high heat. Try keep it like on low. And after I put this pap, I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes so that the maize meal can cook, honey. So yeah, let me just continue with this. If you guys like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below please, and let me know like what you think of this pap and if it's something that you're willing to try. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing great and still enjoying the video. It's a few days after the last time I vlogged and I've been cleaning up, so I decided to declutter my wardrobe because I have a lot of clothes that honestly do not spark joy, like what Mary Kondo would say. And I decided to like really minimize and focus on clothes that I want to wear more often, because I noticed that I have clothes that I don't wear, those clothes that are waiting for a special occasion, which is honestly not fair on my clothes because I bought them for a reason to wear them and I don't. So I want to focus a lot on those clothes, and then I also want to just be more intentional with my fashion style going forward, being conscious of the clothes that I buy and what kind of style I want going forward. I feel like I'm very lazy when it comes to fashion. It's honestly not my strong point. I will definitely exercise that muscle. I find myself wearing the same clothes all the time. I'm very comfortable. So I want to just shop in my closet and like be more intentional about it. So that's what I was doing yesterday. So I took out like everything out of my closet, and then I just went through each and every clothing item and I wore the item, and some of the clothes actually don't fit me anymore. Can you believe it? I gained a little bit of weight. So I have to just let those clothes go. I didn't record because I just felt like it's just a lot of work recording and also trying to be like really productive. And then I also did a little bit of bathroom organization where I took like old unused containers and I divided all my toiletries and all the supplies that I use in the bathroom like properly. So there's a container for miscellaneous items, there's a container for my makeup that I haven't worn in a long time, and there's a container for my monthly sanitary wear, a container for like soaps and stuff. Yeah, so I did something like that. Yeah, I was in this like cleaning mood kind of vibe. I did all this during load shedding, because what do you do during load shedding? I feel like whenever there's load shedding, it's just an opportunity for you to just catch up on stuff. So right now we have load shedding, but the electricity is coming back soon. I found some old books that I haven't read in a long time. This is one of the books that I found, this 200 word search puzzle. I'm currently working on this puzzle that has to do with transport. I'm really enjoying it. It's taking me a while to finish though. And then I found other books that I haven't read in a long time, like the Megan Good and Franklin about celibacy book, and that I really read and enjoyed, and I learned a lot from that book. It's just sad that they've recently divorced. And then I also found The Richest Man in Babylon and Think and Grow Rich, like just a whole lot of books that I used to read in the past. And then I also found like some photo frames, including this one. This photo frame hasn't had a picture in a very long time, so I'm thinking of like making a vision board, a 2023 vision board. I'm not one to make like vision boards. I just have all these things in my head, like all the goals that I want to achieve, but I felt like when I saw this, it sparked something in me, and I want to just make a vision board of all the things that were on my mind. Anyway, I made like a rough list of things that I want to achieve this year, and a few other things that I've already achieved. I'll just write it down anyway. And now I'm going to go on Canva and Pinterest and create my little cute vision board, and then I'll go to the printer shop and print it out and just have it ready. My vision board is honestly things that I feel I will achieve this year, so I think it would just be nice to do it, and also it's just a creative outlet as well, which is fun. So that's something that I'm going to be doing now. And then I want to also edit this video and upload it, and also respond to some of the comments from my previous videos that I haven't responded to. Sorry guys for the delay in responding to comments. I do see all my comments and I love them and I appreciate them so much, and I appreciate you guys taking time to watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. And please don't forget to watch the ads. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Yeah, so I don't have anything else to say. Oh, this is what I will say. I will share with you guys my vision board in the next vlog if I feel like I want to. It's gonna be a lot of personal things. Well, it's not that deep, honestly. It's not that deep. But I'll see if I can share with you guys on the next vlog. Yeah, bye, enjoy.